Good afternoon, madam. This is Namara Phoebe. Slide 1 is my details. Slide 2 is about IT infrastructure. The definition is a system of hardware, software, facilities, and service components that support the delivery of business system. Its components will have hardware, software, data center, facilities, and many others. Slide 3, we have part B saying that define the both technology and the service perspective in IT infrastructure. That is, the definition is shared technology resources that provide the platform for the firm's specific information system application. It consists of a set of physical devices and software applications that are required to operate the entire enterprise. While the service perspective is defined as providing the foundation of serving customer, working with vendors, and managing internal firm business process and many others. We have slide 4. SQL, that is Structured Query Server, is a database server by Microsoft. Relational database managed system is a software product which primarily stores and retrieves the data requested by other applications. It retrieves data. Operating system platform is a system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides common service for computer programs. It manages everything: the hardware, the software. We have computer hardware platform is a set of compatible hardware on which software application can be run. Slide 5. Stages of IT infrastructure evolution. We have 5 stages: general, personal computer, client, enterprise computing, cloud computing. Technology driver of IT infrastructure evolution. We have computer process, memory chips, storage devices, technology communication, and many others. Slide 6. The definition or detail is about the stages and their characteristics. It was made in 1959 up to date. The characteristics: it is powerful and it do many works at a go. We go on personal computer in 1981 up to date. It is accurate, garbage in is garbage out, it is speedy, and many others. Client in 1983 up to date. The characteristics: we have the server only accommodates a limited number of clients. It accommodates a limited number of clients. And we go on enterprise computing, LI 1992 up to date. It has a large number of integrations and high customization and many others. Cloud computing, it is 2000 up to date. It broadcasts broad network access, reduce resource pooling to resource pooling. Slide 8. We have defined the web server. The web server, it stores and delivers the web pages to the people that use. Apart from ITP, a web server also supports simple email transfer protocol. We have application server. Application server holds all applications within it of the companies. Therefore, it stores the all application operation between the browser-based computers and companies' back-end business operation or database. Host applications and an application server framework provides both facilities to run them. We go on server architecture or multi-client. Is a server in which the work of the entire network is balanced on. Is where the entire network is balanced on. 9. The moral law is the observation that the number of transistors in a dense integrated circuit IC doubles about every 2 years. It helps in doubling the IC. And we have the law of mass digital storage. It deals with the exponential decrease in the cost of sharing data, settling that the number of kilobytes of data that can be stored on magnetic media. It helps in sharing data, the cost decreasing the cost of sharing data. Slide 10. Multi-car flow and network economic. If we build a network, we will spend the necessary money for the basic equipment. Declining communication requests and internet. One of the biggest drivers in the exploding using of computers is directly distributed to the internet. We go on technology standards, specifics that establish the companies of products and the ability to communicate in network. We go on slide 11. Slide 11, mobile digital platform. Bring your own devices. Cloud computing, green computing, and many others. How to define them? Define the mobile platform. More and more business computing is moving from PCs and digital machines to mobile devices like cell phones and smartphones. Therefore, people should use phones as their platform to communicate. Slide 12, we have grid computing. Is a practice of leveraging multiple computers, often geographically distributed but connected by network to work together. They are always connected to work together. They are multiple, many number and connected to work together. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing service, including service, storage, device-based network software, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. Slide 13. Benefits: reduces downtime from system crashes, reduces maintenance costs. Benefits of virtual: increases implement utilization rate, reduces fewer computers and servers. We go on 14. Benefits of green computing: is cost effective due to less energy usage and cooling equipment. Benefits of multi-core processors: cost saving by reducing power equipment and hardware scope. We go on slide 15. The current trend in software. We have blockchain, virtual related, big data, cyber system, security. Challenges: lack of powerful computing platforms, data acquisition problem, computer management and provision, lack of effective data storage, improper work and connective. 16. Solutions. We have solution for those problems. A simple solution to the challenge would be employ new general purpose graphical. These IT managers need to look out for high performance computing resources with huge data. This challenge can be solved by using distributive systems. It is important that they could store options between more flexible to improve the IT infrastructure and many others. 17. Creating and maintaining a coherent IT infrastructure raises multiple challenges, including make wise infrastructure investments and coordinating infrastructure components, dealing with political and technology changes. That is it.